Right, the moisture's just about gone out of them now. So it's just a case of gently smoothing your fingers on them and bringing together the feathers where they're split. You won't be able to do it with all feathers. They're a natural product, so you can never get them absolutely perfect. But it's just bringing them and smoothing them out. You can see the improvement. This, a minute ago, was like that. So that's a huge difference. If you want to see it again, I can just pop the kettle through again, and you just see how quickly and easily it comes together. You ready? Obviously, be careful not to burn yourself. You scald or burn yourself with steam. Whatever it is, don't do that anyway. Feathers will take more heat than the flowers without going out of shape. There, you can see how they've opened up. So, works every time. As I say, I won't do anything with these now until the moisture's gone out of them. But that's how to restore feather fascinators.